Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skywet. As you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, over the years as an affiliate marketer, I have bagged a lot of experience in this game and in this business. And one of it is that one of the things I noticed is that to be a successful affiliate marketer, one of the things you need is that you need the source for your organic traffic that will access your link or platform and will buy your goods or service that you are rendering. And over the years I've tried several methods by where I can get traffic to my site and platform, but many of the methods I've tried have not given me the results I want. Example of this method I've tried include the SEO, Facebook ads, and many other method that you might have tried also. And as you might have tried it also, you should know they've not really been giving me good results. So as a software developer also, because when I was in college I was a computer scientist, so as a software developer I've come up with a software which I've been using for a while now, and it has been giving me really good results. My software works by generating organic traffic from search engines and digital platforms. My software is the affiliate marketing the traffic generator, and it has really been giving me excellent results like what you can see on the screen. And so this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, and it's doing fine already. As you can see on the screen, these are great results. So to get my software and video course today, to start earning and join a clique of the smart ones that are really making edge in this game, remember you can contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. And remember, my software is only applicable to Clickbank alone. You can use my software on other digital affiliate marketing platforms to get sales and to start making a great sale on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, I manage accounts for my students also, because this is one of my students' account that I manage. If you are getting my software and video course and maybe you need account management, I manage accounts for my students also. So, and remember, I'm always accessible to my students. My students know that I'm always accessible. If you get my software and video course, I'm going to create a Clickbank sales page for you. And my video course, remember I said over the years I've bagged a lot of experience and a lot of secrets to be a successful affiliate marketer. My video course entails many details on how to become a successful affiliate marketer, and some of it is the type of products you have to sell in some particular locations, and so many other important informations are inside my video course. So join the clique of the smart ones that are making edge in this game now, because it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work. So to get the software and video course today to start earning really good money, contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Thank you.